cult biology, the science study of life, conservation biology, and restoration ecology. The biodiversity crisis. Biology in the science of life, thus it is fitting that our final chapter focuses on two disciplines that seek to preserve life. Conservation biology integrates ecology, including behavioral ecology, physiology, molecular biology, genetics, and evolutionary biology to conserve biological diversity at all levels. Efforts to sustain ecosystem process at stem the loss of the biodiversity also connect the life science with the social sciences, economics, and humanities. Restoration ecology applies ecological principles in an effort to return degraded ecosystems to conditions as similar as possible to their natural pre-degraded state. To date, scientists have described and formally named about 1.8 million species of organisms. Some biologists think that about 10 million more species currently exist. Others estimate the number to be as high as 2 million. There is not evenly distributed around the globe. Some of the greatest concentrations of species are found in the tropics. Unfortunately, in tropical areas, since such as the one in this figure, notice that are commonplace tropical forests are being destroyed at an alarming rate to make room for and support a burgeoning human population. Through the biosphere, human activities are altering trophic structures, energy flow, chemical cycling, and natural disturbance, ecosystem processes in which we and other species depend. The amount of human altered land surface is approaching 50%, and we use over half of all accessible surface freshwater in the oceans. Stocks of many fishes are being depleted by either harvesting, and some of the most productive and diverse aquatic areas, such as coral reefs and estuaries, are being severely stressed by some estimates. We are in the process of doing more damage to the biosphere and pushing more species toward extinction. Um, than the large asteroid that may have triggered the mass extinctions at the close of a Cretaceous period 65.5 million years ago. Globally, the rate of species loss may be as much as 1,000 times higher than at any time in the past 100,000. Biodiversity crisis, because we can only estimate the number of species currently existing. We cannot determine the actual rate of species loss or the real magnitude of the biodiversity crisis. We do know of certain for certain that the rate of species extinction is high, and that is largely results from an escalating rate of ecosystem degradation by a single species, Homo sapiens, simply, but humans are threatening Earth's biodiversity. Notice this figure, the three represents the three levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity, short for biological diversity, has three main components or levels: genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity, as explained in this figure. All three are being decreased by human activity. Let's begin. Start genetic diversity in a whole population, and second, species or level, species diversity in coastal redwood ecosystem, and third one, community and ecosystem diversity across the landscape of an entire region. These are three levels of biodiversity: the oversized chromosome symbolize the genetic variation within the population.